All I need is 10 more minutes.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? So I'm here with Unice hair once more, same packaging as usual. So let's see what's inside. So first I'm seeing the wig, all right, and then I'm seeing like a headband here. I also got this goodie bag. All right, you guys know that I'm good for sending goodie bag already. So let's see what's inside. I got a bonnet. This is a brown one. I also got a, elastic headband that's branded Unice. A pair of lashes. And finally, in the bag, I have a brush. I collect these brushes, guys. I saved them. So today's wig that we're working with, oh my gosh, this is another V-part. So remember, I tried V-part for the first time, like maybe a month or two ago. So this is my second V-part wig that I will try. Alright, now as you can see, this is a curly, this is 22 inches long and it's full all the way to the tip. In terms of density, I'll be sure to put that in the description box. As a matter of fact, you know how I do already. I put all the specifications. So if you're interested in all of that, you can check it out. So absolutely no lace. Alright, this is how the inside looks. It has combs here, so you can use that to secure it to your like braids and stuff. And there are more combs inside of the cap. There is like a total of 3 regular combs in the cap, and then you have these like clips here at the V portion that you can snap within your braids. And then in the back, there are adjustable bands as well. The color of this wig is like 1B. It's very natural. The curls are very soft. They're very defined. Very pretty. Love that. Very close to my natural texture, by the way. So I know this should blend really nicely, because the first time I tried it, it was with like a kinky straight texture. But today we have a curly texture. You guys know I love a good curly texture. So let's get into just applying this to my hair, because this is literally the ultimate, one of the ultimate beginner wig kind of vibe. You know, you don't need no formal training for this to put it on your own, or you don't need to go to the salon to put this on. So let me get into it. So this is my normal hair that I have left out. So you see, that's the texture of my natural hair there. You know, I did a little wash and go kind of vibe with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'll take the clips. There's 2 on either sides of the V, and it's like a snap clip. So you just snap it open, right? And once you do that, you kind of just put it within your braids and you just snap it back to close it. Alright. Now with V parts, you actually can go without leaving any leave out. But for me personally, I think the first time I tried it, yes, the first time I tried it, I did not leave out any hairs at all. Alright. So that's an option. If you don't want to, if you just want to have your braids and stuff, you don't have to do a leave out. You can just snap it real closely, because they make it super flat at the V portion, so it conceals nicely. I'm just separating my hair a little bit more to blend in with the hair. I love how big it looks. Like, it's not super big, but the volume is really nice. Like, that's really cute. Look at that. It's so my vibe. Like, this is super natural. Like, you guys can't say no, this is not natural. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments section. And this was so easy, super quick, super duper quick. So I love that. Love that. Look at that. Do you see that? Blended really nicely. Really nicely. It's one of those hassle-free wigs, 100%. So like 10 out of 10, highly recommend. You're looking for something to throw on and go, especially like on a daily basis, like, you know, you can't bother for, you know, the commitment of sewing in bundles or putting on a lace front wig, or you know, you have work and you just want something to look nice, decent, but at the same time you can throw on and go. Yeah, this is your wig. So yeah, that's it. See, very, very much easy. So now that you've seen it with me doing a little leave out, I'm going to show you how it is with absolutely no leave out, and you can decide how you would prefer to wear it. I'll go ahead just to, you know, show you guys how this wig looks when water is added, you know, just to give it a little bit more of that nice juicy curly look. So I'm just adding some water to it for that. I'm not gonna like fully drench it down with the water. I just kind of wanted to give the curls more of a, like, you know, juicy kind of vibe. So, you know, water can always, or you can even add conditioner if you want. So I am getting shedding, so I'm running my fingers through it. I am getting shedding, which is expected. Every hair sheds, and especially with this texture, it's curly hair. Alright, it's curly hair, so you will get some shedding. It looks good. Looks real good. Okay. So now I will go in and show you guys how it looks without any leave out. I just take the piece here that I had left out, put it behind my ear, and then I'll just use the clips, put that down. I'll do the same thing on the next side. So you guys, you know I have a thing with pushing the hair behind my ear. This is me with absolutely no leave out, and you see, you can put it as close as you want, and you can just play around with it and stuff. But this is how it looks with absolutely no leave out. So you can put it even closer. You could tease it at the roots, and this is how it's looking. You could pull it back, like you see. So it all depends on how you want to finesse it, but you could totally do this with no leave out. So I'm going to be sure to put the link to this wig in my description box, so go ahead, check that out, as well as all the specifications. It will be down there for you guys as well. That is it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, just love me.
So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave